In the journal, in the guidebook that I provide for the Genesis program, there's a statement about why this journal and the workbook is created. Pen to paper, pencil to paper, why I chose not to do it on some form of media or digital technology. Because part of transformation is taking time to connect with yourself, to see the process of your own thinking. And journaling is the most effective way to get in tune with how you think and where you're confused, where you're hiding from yourself, where you're avoiding truth, that you're literally putting who you are on paper. So you have to confront what's in here and bring it out into the real world. It also helps you clear up confusion. So many times it's just thoughts running around, ideas running around. We get all jumbled up and twisted. And when you journal and you write, you see, oh, this is where I'm getting stuck. Oh, this is what is the theme. This is what the pattern is. This is what keeps coming up. That's what I need to address. So the journaling and the writing aspect is the foundational piece of this process, so you get to know who you are outside of in your head, or ideas, or wondering, or just another mental exercise. It's the way for you to really begin to see who you are in real life.